Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to search for jobs using the Cape Town Jobs Directory. So every day we are getting hundreds of new jobs, as we can see. The first page we arrive to is the landing page. Over here you can decide to use keywords. So you can put in here sales, and then you can go job search. What it's going to do, it's going to show you a whole list of jobs in the sales industry. As you can see, the latest ones are always going to appear on the top, and all the other ones are going to be at the bottom. When you do want to load more jobs, you can always go and scroll down here, and you can see that there's more jobs and more job listings. And you can keep doing this until you find a job that you're interested in, or you can open multiple of them. You can open this one. You can just close the adverts, and there you go. You can just click on apply for job, and it will take you to the website where that job is available. So other ways you can do it, you can also look at the latest jobs over here simply by scrolling down. You can just come here and just load all the jobs. If you're looking potentially for a driver job, you can look for driver, and you can see that there are jobs that meet these criteria. So hopefully that provides you with some insight and information as to how you can find a job. And I hope this helps. Thanks, guys.